A statue of King George III of England once stood in this park. In 1664, the British took over Manhattan Island, and they imposed taxes on the people who lived here, who got upset. They said, "We have no representation in Parliament. Parliament has no right to tax us." Parliament passed the Stamp Act, tax on all legal documents. The people were so irate that they organized to overthrow the monarchy's rule. King George III heard about that, so he repealed the Stamp Act. And when he did, they put a statue of him in this park. The fence around the edge went up in 1767 to keep the riffraff out of the park. And on each post was a crown. July 9th, 1776, our Declaration of Independence was read up near City Hall. The people were so excited, they marched down through the streets and they pulled down the statue of King George III. And they wrenched the crowns off the top of the posts, melting down the metal and creating ammunition, which they then used against the British soldiers and sailors who were on board ships in the harbor, having fled Boston. Tours by foot. This is Renee on the Lower Manhattan Tour.